Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram link expired on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Telegram app and this is window and found Telegram app here and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come to this is window. We will click here on force stop and we will click here on OK. And we will just click here on storage. Then we come to storage window. We will click here on clear cache and we will click here on manage storage. Then we will go up. We will click here in up and just click here on clear local and you'll just turn off your phone and turn on it and you'll just so it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.